It's Sunday night. We are Reid and Glenn from Hawaii Trading Academy. We're doing our weekly watch list for you guys. People on our page, hit subscribe, hit like, share it with your friends and fam. For those who may be interested in trading the markets, what we cover in this weekly watch list is the opportunities that we see in the Forex, futures, and crypto markets. And then we'll be sharing our ideas so you guys can potentially follow and learn. That's the whole point, right? I'll be sharing my screen and we'll get started. Let's do this. So we got the S&P 500 in the C. Daily chart. We have closed above the previous high here at 4,444. Now we broke through. We have a little pullback here on the Sunday opening, so I am bullish biased here. I'm anticipating to just recover and break through our previous high of 45.49. So that's one on the watch list. Let's look at the Bitcoin. The thing, you probably seen this all over the internets. Everyone's posting that's making new highs. This is the Bitcoin futures, and we've been tracking this in our watch list for weeks or months. Price made a new high at 65,520, and then it broke down to a low of 28,000. Right, then it started to get momentum, broke out of this range, got momentum, then we pulled back to the bottom of that the top of that range. We were previously at 40,000, and now it popped up 22,000 from 22,000 points or dollars, right? So we're trading at 62,545. The bias is definitely bullish. Strength is there. Momentum is there. Just gotta keep your stops wide enough to keep track. Stay within the swings, large swings in this market, right? Large swings. So that's on the watch list. Let's look at the Nasdaq. Similar price action with the S&P, although we didn't close above 315 here daily. So we'll see how tomorrow plays out. Hopefully we can bust through. We had some good gains starting from Wednesday. Nice move for the bulls. Let's look at odd yen. That was a good pair. I was going long last week. We are reaching this, looks like a sort of resistance here at the 85.0 level. Just waiting to see what happens there. Euro USD, I was short here, but my stop loss got hit. My trailing stops, I was short for a while, and finally on the 4-hour chart broke above my channels, and it's going sideways. It broke above, kind of peaking down, but it's going sideways. No direction really. Let's see. A lot of the yen pairs have made moves last week, but just be prepared that it could pull back. Just like it's showing here, it's a little bit of sideways movement, but it's still overall bullish there on the yen pairs. What was the other one I was looking at? Euro Kiwi. Where's that one? Short bias. This is like a choppy one, so it's been ranging for a while. Then finally broke to go go short, and it's been on its just tumble here. Today it's been pulling back a little bit, but definitely keep track of It's still in a bearish momentum, and I'll be following that trend there. Yeah, I think that'll be it for me. Short watch list, not too much action. Oh, I did want to like take note of natural gas. Natural gas has been pumping for a long time, since April, and it's been on this crazy move. Of course, you got a deep pullback here. You probably would have got knocked out. Then it just pumped up again. But you see how volatility literally is like jig. It's like mountain peaks, man. Look at that, crazy. So the bull run, I believe, is done here. It broke a new low last week, and who knows where that could be a signal to go short on the natural gas market. Back to you, bruh.
Yeah, short watch list for me too, man. So let's see. I only have 2 on my watch list. Ended the week last week real slow. Didn't have any pairs that I was live in. This is the Euro Australian dollar pair. I like it. It's a flat channel after a strong bear run. So I'm just looking for a break below this. It's previous resistance around 1.56. It still has room to move to the downside, so I'm just going to keep an eye on this one for this week. Dollar CAD was very similar to this pair. It's almost like they're correlated. They had a triple top. Both pairs had a triple top. Dollar CAD is making a nice pullback also, but for some reason, I really like how Euro Odd is looking more than Dollar CAD on this one. Second position that I'm following is Euro USD for a continuation short. Did have this massive pullback here. This is the 4-hour on the bottom left. Massive pullback. So it is the EMAs. It's showing some resistance / support here, but overall it's in just a bearish market. So if this continued higher, or if it continues and comes back up and kind of makes it a little higher and just starts ranging like that, then I'll be more bullish than I am bearish. But at this exact moment, what price action is showing me is I'm more bearish than I am bullish on this. Overall trend since May has just been bear run. So we're just going to try to capitalize on this continuation here. And that's the only 2 main ones that I'm watching. And then a good one covers always crypto. I like covering crypto. So there's a high probability this is a weekly here. The last 3 weeks have been very bullish. I mean, if we even consider since July, it had a strong bullish move, then a quick pullback all throughout September, followed by a bullish run again. So I'll make this a daily. This is the daily here. So, I mean, we're right here near the nearest high or all-time high, which is 6,500. So, I mean, it's real close. It's real close. Probability is that it'll probably break through if we have this exact same like momentum continuation with all this volume coming into the market. Bull volume here. We could see these high bull volume spikes here. So I'm anticipating that it's going to continue up at least to hit 65. And what I'm almost hoping for is a pullback here. So it'll hit this level is 6,500, something like that. And it'll show some type of rejection here just for a greater move up. So that's what I'm looking for. Just a small pullback to get in again. And then just a quick look at Ethereum. Ethereum's also been very bullish. It's presenting some nice buys right now. It also is near its all-time high, which is 4,300 or 4,384 specifically. So I'm anticipating that it could just continue forward to reach that all-time high. Maybe not this month, but in time for sure. Probability, I would say probably for the end of the year. I mean, but crypto is just so volatile. You never know. So it's just good to keep an eye on.
Yeah.
Other than that, Glenn, that's all I got, man. Real quick, real short, sweet and simple.
Sweet and simple.
Yeah.
I mean, just a note with crypto, guys. Right now, as it is, it's very correlated. You know, a lot of the crypto mimic, at least the big ones, the main ones. I've noticed Bitcoin. A lot of them mirror or follow Bitcoin's movement. So, if there's strength and momentum in the in Bitcoin, you'll see it reflect onto the others. And that's just something I noticed. And so if you're trying to build a portfolio unless you're purposely building it for crypto, right? Don't get too heavy sided on crypto. Try to split it into other instruments such as the commodities, futures, forex, to help balance out your portfolio. Otherwise, your portfolio will just mimic or reflect everything crypto does if you're going that route.
Diversification.
Yeah. And it's like minimizing your risk at the same time. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man. So definitely check us out. Trading Topic Tuesdays. We always got that going on. Every week we put that on for our members. It's free for everyone to join. DM us for the link. That's what is it? Do you know what topic we're going over, bro?
Pulling the trigger.
Pulling the trigger.
A lot of people get paralyzed by fear. So overcoming that fear.
You got FOMO, you got the news, you got the nerves, the anxiety, the feet, all that stuff. And so that can get to your head and prevent you from making the right trade. Join us 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Trading Topic Tuesdays. Safe. Thanks for watching.